I'm giving it one last try. It's showtime! Man, that comment was a kicker. And all I could do is laugh. And it really is what it is. Hey, I'm Fish. How's everybody doing? I don't know if I want to get to the park today and go out there. I don't like wet days sometimes. But this is like April showers, man. Every day is a shower. I'm still waiting. I'm not sure why it's taking this long. But it is what it is. And you can't rush a good thing, can you? I think I am still holding on to my decision and just, waiting. A couple of more days, I think Movavi will be expired. I want to see if it still works, that I could just play with it. What's going to stop? All the crowns and everything? But I cannot really load up something that has a watermark that goes across, that comes on, goes off, comes on. If the watermark was just put, somewhere in the lower thirds and stayed there, I wouldn't mind at all. When I search YouTube for Movavi editor tutorials, this one person, she does a great job. And my hat off to you, dear. And let me tell you, I want to see recent stuff. I want to see a lot of tutorials that I could use a program and how to do it. But all these crowns, man, subscriptions. It's good to see it. But is there, like, if I click on one when I get the software, be like a 10-cent charge just to use it, something like that? A one-time use each and every time I use the program? Or will it be like a monthly, a weekly, a daily, a charge indeed? I'm not even sure they even offer that. It's one or the other, not a combination of many things. Oh yeah! Remember High C in the can, man? Apricot juice and all that good stuff, those big tin cans. Oh yeah. I gotta contact the company. I gotta ask them about Saucy Susan. I also, I'm thinking of, oh yeah, definitely going to do it. But it's gonna take me some time and I'm waiting for the weather to be nice. I may take out my alternator and then buy a new one on Amazon. Don't have to pay a core. Put it to the side, put the new one in, and get another Costco battery. And if it still has the same problem, you got it, baby. Put the old alternator back in and do your return. People think having a return policy that you shouldn't use it and neglect it. Nothing's wrong. I got a problem. And if the alternator doesn't meet my expectations and work, it can go back for a return. You're killing the system with the return fest. TV shows, man. You see a lot of pictures, you see them in the car, you can see them, this is the car scene, nice and wide. And then when they're talking to somebody here, they're like this, a little close in the car scene, you can see the back. And when they do a close-up, they're like, almost like that, looking in the camera. DJI Osmo 5. Oh yeah, man, they're changing the field of view. They're gonna bring it back in closer. And that's my rumor. And what do we got? We got about half a year now. We got March, April, May, June, July, August. Yeah. Got it right there. You're even going to have a GoPro at Hero 13. Now, am I going to get another one? Oh, I like the Osmo 4, man. I just wish they offered an attachment so you could just bring that field of view. And when you tell somebody, hey, just use the digital zoom, bring it in a little. Can't save it to customs. You can't have it close up. Somebody wants to put a Doppler on there, you make it a little closer because they're vlogging. It is what it is, man. They know what we want, and they don't offer it. I have a screen recorder. The screen, please, put a 2-minute, better yet, put a 3-minute on there. That's what I like to have, not a minute's time. And that's what it's set on. Didn't we have like 3 minutes on one of them? The gas company was over here. I smelled gas, man, just back behind me. And now they're not here anymore. Well, the Osmo Action 4. Oh yeah, GoPro. I more or less went to the Osmo side. No more troubles, no more issues. How you liking your Osmo? Don't you just love it when you could put a DJI Mic 2 on there and go out and have some fun? But once the camera shuts down, it's all over again. You gotta start it up. And that's a good thing, and that's not a good thing for some. Well, I said a lot, I did a lot, and I talked a lot. And the thing I didn't do for a long time, happy trails to you till we meet again. Oh yeah. I'm happy I made my intro short. It's got just enough tune that it doesn't get the license. And yeah, I made it. I made it pretty good, and I'm happy with it. I don't know, I may still want to modify it. I may want to get rid of "It's showtime." I don't know. I'm not saying getting rid of it. I'm just saying I just want to use a different one, so I can make a super duper duper short one. But I still gotta do an outro. Oh man, I'm out of here. It's over. Show's done. See ya. Like that blue sky? It ain't blue. It's got rain in it. It's got clouds in it. It's overcast. I'll see ya all on the next video. Catch you later. You know who I am.